everybody. Today we are heading off to a fortress, which is a movie set, which is I think the only Kazakhstan movie to be submitted to the Oscars. Didn't win the Oscars, but it's major stuff. So it's a man-made area, but it's about nomadic tribes in this region. It's quite remote, as you can see. And apparently you need a four-wheel drive to get there, but we have a very cheap taxi, so let's see how we go. Yeah, it's the day of movie sets. So we've inevitably got bogged on this four-wheel drive snow track here, so we're just jacking the car up. We have a snow shovel trying to dig out all the snow, and then we're going to try to reverse that and get down this track if we can. Let's see, still got a long way to go. Alright, that minor interlude, we're back on the main road, kinda. Just got bogged for about 40 minutes, 50 minutes, but luckily someone came along and pulled us out, yay! Alright, the road has completely disintegrated. We thought we'd got out of the snow, we'd take another route, but then we've just hit really soft mud, sliding horizontally the whole way. So we're just going to walk up here and help this guy, poor taxi driver. There's no underside except cardboard to the car. All the doors are falling off. He just needs the money, but I don't want to trash his car. So we're going to head back to Amadi, hopefully. Hopefully we'll get through this stuff, which we only just managed to get through just then. The adventure continues. So we made it back to the town, which is great, but unfortunately the fuel that we put in this morning, I think it's got water in it. Either that or we've done some damage under the car with all the driving that we did into the snow. So we are just crawling along this highway, maybe at 10, 15 kilometers an hour. I've got 65 k's to go before Maddie. There's no town, I don't think, so hopefully we make it through. So in the parking bay on the side of the road here in the highway, they have these, what looks like little places you can pull your car up and you can get underneath them to do a bit of roadside repairs. Not sure what's going on. We'll work it out soon. All right, that didn't work. Looks like it's another fan belt. That will be the second fan belt in taxis that we've had break on us. So I thought it was fuel in the water, but the fan belt went. He tried to repair it with that yellow duct tape there. God bless duct tape.
Saved. He's got the duct tape.
However, it didn't hold,
That should work.
which is probably a good thing if we're going at 100 k's an hour down the freeway. Anyway, so not too sure what's happening now. We haven't got much reception, if any, here, so we might be stuck for a while. We've been here probably an hour now, so let's see what happens. Oh, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? So 6:30, so that's what's that? About a 2 hour wait on the side of the road with another driver. Our guys can't change the fan belt. Keep going, let the day of breakdowns continue. Hopefully it doesn't continue more.